welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Mama Boys. It's me, your baby girl. Confidence Wears in the building. So guys, what's up? How are you all doing? Hope you're doing fine. Hope you're enjoying your new year. Hope you are catching fun with your family. So guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. You are the real MVP. You are the real gang. You are the real loves. Thank you guys for your support so far, for how you've been supporting me. It has been amazing. I love you all. I appreciate you all. So guys, in today's video, I came here to tell you 5 things you have to be doing in this new year 2021 in order to achieve your goals, in order to achieve something before this year runs out. Yes, so guys, keep watching this video because I know you are going to learn 1 or 2. So guys, even as you're watching the video, comment down below, tell me I'm looking beautiful, tell me I'm looking so fine. Yes, I need it. So guys, the first thing I want to talk about is having a goal. Like having a target. Guys, you have to have a target. You have to have a goal, because a man or woman that is living here on earth without a goal is like someone that is just roaming around. Like you are roaming around in one spot, you won't achieve anything. At the end of the year, you can't hold on to something that, yes, this is what I achieved for the year. It's just like one being so stagnant. You are in a stagnant water that is not moving. You are not going forward, you are not moving backward. So guys, that is why you have to have a goal. Have a goal that you want to achieve, even in the next 5 years, even in the next 10 years. You know you have a goal. In that next 5 years, in that next 10 years, I want to achieve so. I want to build a house, I want to build a company, I want to, you know, just have this target that you really want to work on and you want to achieve. The next thing I want to talk about is working on your goals. Yes, because so many people have goals. Like so many people have goals of achieving so many wonderful things. Like if you hear the goals of some people, you'll be like, because they have big dreams, they have big visions, they want to achieve so many things, but they are not working towards those goals. They aren't working towards them. So guys, if you are dreaming of having a company in next 5 years or in next 10 years and you are not working towards that right now in order to achieve it in next 10 years, guys, can I tell you that in the next 5 years you might not achieve it? Because why? You are not working towards it. And remember, time waits for no one. So when you are wasting the time, you will just be there, and in that next 5 years that you've targeted to achieve a particular thing, that 5 years is going to come and go and you won't achieve those things. So you have to work on them. You have to always want to know what is going to move you forward to the next target you are having. So another thing that I want to talk about is procrastination. Guys, this is something you have to do away with this year. You have to stop procrastinating, because procrastination is a stealer of time. You know you want to do this thing, you know that yes, I really want to work on this thing, but you are procrastinating. You are saying next week, you are saying next 2 weeks, you're saying next month, you're saying next year. Guys, you have to stop that. You that is looking at me and you know you are doing it and you know you fall into this table that I'm mentioning now, guys, you have to stop it. You have to start now. Like now is the right time for you to start. That business you want to start, now is the right time for you to start. That job opportunity that you want to get, now is the right time to start writing application letters, taking it to different companies where you want to have a job. Now is the right time for you to start going there, applying, because you don't know where your helper will come from. You don't know when favor is going to locate you. So you have to start now, working on them, moving forward. Like anything you know you have to do, just do it now. Stop procrastinating. Next week I'm going to go to the company, I'm going to submit the letter. No, and that next week will come and go, and you'll be like, hey, I did not even do that in that next week again. Hey, if I let me leave it next 2 weeks. No, guys, it's not right. It's not right. You are going to be there 1 year, 2 years. I am telling you, 1 year, 2 years, you are still there. Or you want to open a YouTube channel, my sister, my brother. Please, that is the right time for you to do it. Don't wait for when you are living in a mansion. Don't wait for when you are living in a beautiful house. Don't wait for when you are riding the best car. Don't wait for when you have everything. Everything is on a good platform, like you're living the baby girl life, you're cruising. So then you feel like it's the right time for me to open a YouTube channel because my life is now fun. Can I tell you that there are some people that are even looking for local content on YouTube, like those raw vlogs. That place you are using firewood to cook, somebody wants to watch you. That place you are as in your kitchen is heated with batchers. You know that this thing is local. You know this thing you can only get it in village. Some people are looking for those kind of content, so you don't have to waste time. Start with what you have. Even if it is business, start with what you have. Any money you have, no matter the little capital you are having at your hand now, and you know you want to start a business, just start, guys. Just start. Because whenever you start, next 5 years, it won't be as the same as now that you started. Even if you started with 5,000 naira, next 5 years, 5,000 naira will not be what will be in your account. It is going to add, and it will be something for you. So you have to start with that little money you have. As in, you have to start, guys. You have to start. Yes. So the next thing I want to talk about is savings. Guys, savings. I say it again, you have to learn how to save in this 2021. So many of us are having money, so many of us are touching cash, but the only problem we have is that those money are not coming in bulk. You have 5,000 naira today, you eat it and you expect that another one is going to come. Definitely another one is going to come. Well, but when another one comes, you still spend the money. And with this, you are just spending, and it all ends you up in not having money. But when you just form the habit of savings, whenever you get a little, you put it into account, or you just get this local colo that they usually have. When you start putting money, now is New Year, 2nd of January, when you start putting money in it, I'm telling you, by 2021 December 31st, when you open that save box, you'll be surprised with the kind of money you are going to find in there. Yes. Or even bank has made it easy. They come to your offices, they come to shops to collect money and save for you. So why can't you maximize those opportunities? Whenever they come, any money you have, 500, 1,000, 200 or 5,000, any money at all, you just give it to them. As far as you know that this money is money that you are going to bring out and is not going to affect you in return, you just give it to them and you decide that you won't touch the money. Guys, at the end of the day, you see that this money will become a lot. Yes, you won't imagine how it is going to sum up to be a huge amount of money. So you have to learn how to save. No money is little, because a drop of water forms a mighty ocean. So the last thing I want to talk about is having a close relationship with God. Yes, you heard me right. Guys, can I tell you that whatsoever you want to achieve here on earth, if you don't have God, if God is not by your side, and if God did not determine and assign that thing to happen in your life, no matter how you struggle, no matter how you hustle, it is not going to have effect. It's not going to work. So that is why you have to have a close relationship with God. Be close to God. Always go to Him first. Whatsoever plans you have to go into your private room and have a quiet time with Him. Table your matters to Him. Tell Him how you want your days to be run. Even before you leave your house, make sure you talk to Him. Tell God, this is what I want to achieve today. This is what I want. Protect me, guide me, because this life is full of battles. So you have to hold God tight, form a close relationship with God, make sure that He's always involved in your life. And with this, you're going to go far. You are going to go far because the hand of God will be upon whatsoever you are doing. The hand of God is upon you, and God is going to continue fighting your battle. So that is why you have to hold God firm. And that is the last one. This is the 5 things you have to be doing in this year 2021 in order to achieve something, in order to achieve your goals, in order to achieve those desired results you want. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you like this video. I hope this video has impacted into your lives in one way or the other. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I still remain your baby girl, Confidence Nweze. This amazing family, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, share my videos, like my videos, comment down below, tell me all those good stuff, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye.